Yo, everyone. Hello. I'm working in a late night. It's pretty dark outside. Reason for that is it's cooler, summertime in LA. But anyway, today or tonight, I have this pesky evap not turning on. So I'm gonna go, my only last resort now. I changed my cap and I drove the car so many, maybe like almost 1,000 miles. The evap's still not active. There's no engine light. I don't know what's causing it. So if you guys have any idea to what's causing it, please comments down below. Maybe it'll help me out. I already changed the gas cap. I have cycled it. I have followed the procedure how to activate everything. Everything else is on, but just this one thing, which is the evap incomplete. So my last resort now is the evap canister. There's that purge valve in there that detects the leak or whatever it may be. I don't know if it's working. It looks pretty old. So what I did is just safely put that in the back of your car, the stand, and let's go underneath the car. This is also the part that I got right over here. That's the part number, evap valve. Hopefully this will help me out. I don't have an engine light. Sucker has not turned on, and I had so many cycles on and off on the car. I did everything, just one thing that's not completed. So hopefully this will help. I hope. I have no large leak or small leak, but I don't know what the heck's going on with the car. Anyway, let's open this up and show you what I have. So basically, this evap system thing comes with a plug, inlet or outlet, and then we screw it on, and then some gasket. So what I'm gonna do is kind of moisten this gasket with a WD or some kind of silicone, just to, it doesn't get stuck or anything like that, just to be, just to softly close it. Anyway, let's remove the old one and I will show you how to remove it. So first, let's open this up. That way we don't have any vapor. Stinks. And then let's go under the car. All right, so the driver's side towards, or the engine side's towards that way. This is the back. So there's a little clip right over here. Just unclip it, press this clip right here on the corner. Oh crap, that's dusty. Careful with all the debris. Hope you're wearing some kind of something to protect your eye. But anyway, right here, just pull this out. Give it a good you have to pull this out. Let me go get my separator. I'll be right back. That thing's stuck in there. Hold on, I'll be back. So just get one of those plastic, or if you have deteriorated one, this thing will probably come off easily. There you go. And then that's off. I think you're gonna have to spin it this way towards the driver's side. Lefty loosey. There you go. So that's it. And then check. And here is the gasket that you need to replace. Let's put the new one on here. Be right back with my two hands. To all Abarth owners or Fiat 500, does yours look like this? It has a loose part inside that goes up and down. I'm changing a part. I don't know what the hell's going on, so it looks old and beat up. It's an expensive item. It's about what, 20 something bucks? Or the new one. See how this one has that? I don't know if it's bad or not. So help me out here, guys. And this new one right here, it has a new design or something like that, where it's there's nothing shaking in it. I took out the cap already over here. Let's put the new what do you call that? Let's put the new gasket. And the gasket that came with it is a bit different, but it looks like it's, you know, this one's better. I'm gonna save that though, just in case. All right, so I put the gasket on there around it, and then just I guess go ahead and twist it. Oh wait, I want to show you guys the gasket's right over there, and put in a socket and spin it. There you go, and it locks in. There you go. That's how simple it is. And then put the old one back. There you go. Put the plug back in. There you go. You hear it click. And that's it. I'll clean this up a little bit so this looks newer. There you go. So you don't need to replace the whole canister. This canister is supposed to last for the lifetime of your car. So if something goes bad, just check this one out. I hope that's my issue, because goodness gracious. All right, guys, that's how you replace your evap vent thing. So it only comes with 2 plugs, and I hope this will fix my issue. So I'm gonna keep the old one just in case. I don't know if that's still good. I think that's how they designed it, where it goes up and down. I don't know. I'm not an expert on this, but I'm just going along with what can it be possibly, trying to turn on my evap. So there is no leak, no indication of leak. If your car leaks, the culprit could be this, but that's not it. Or the inside of these is stuck open or closed. I don't know. Anyway, all right, guys, I hope that helps out on your Abarth or Fiat 500. If you are having issues with your evap or wanting to replace, you don't need to replace the whole canister. This $20 part right here from Dorman, it's on sale in Amazon when I got it, so it was like 28 something bucks, and it's made in China. Oh well, thanks for watching, everyone. Wish me luck. Hope it turns on. Thumbs up, that would really help me on my channel. And subscribe if you can, please. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you, everyone. God bless. Bye. Peace.